Billy? That pizza ball. I'm so scared of what we're gonna find. I know he said there was meat in here.
Oh god.
What do we do? Do I got a scraper?
You don't have this bitch triple bag.
I did! Do I have anything to like?
But I am not.
Sorry, fucking maggots in here and everything. Of course the door opens this way too. Like it can't open that way. Oh god. I'm so scared. It won't even open. Oh, Rachel. Oh god, there's bugs. Oh god. There's not. Oh my god. Oh. Oh, bitch. See if we can get it out of here. Ew, look at this.
Nothing.
So look how gross this is, Bentley.
Oh,
Heck no. We're gonna need an exterminator. Oh, we're what the fuck? Oh, I need to go. Oh, I got it.
that wasn't me to break.
Get used to it.
Billy, shut up or help.
Now I'm not helping. I need you to help me connect it to the Wi-Fi. Connect.
Oh, that's bad.
I need 2 masks.
Gotta get used to it.
Oh, there's no getting used to that. Oh, no, there's not.
Gotta get used to it.
My eyes are watering so bad. Oh, no maggots, but if there was maggots, I'd be out. Oh, my God. Okay, let's reapply.
So I might need the backyard. I'm not a gagger either.
Oh, me neither, bitch. I go. Oh.
Go see Brady's out of the shower. What? Go see Brady's out of the shower. My fucking glasses are such a shower. Did you double up?
Oh, yeah, man, you got me fucked up. That's strong.
Huh? Dude, I'm out here fighting for my life right now. That TV set I have to hold on.
Oh, there's flies everywhere. Oh, yeah. You said I'm fighting for my life. Oh, I already know what to smell.
I can already smell it.
Oh, yeah.
Here.
Oh, no.